Want some nuts? What, you don't want any? Come on, don't get mad. The other nuts are coming today. I know, there's no cashews, there's no macadamias, but there's other stuff in there. Yeah, give it a try. Your other nuts are coming today, I promise. See, I told you you'd find something. Alright. Maybe not. And as soon as the other nuts come, I will mix them in and I will give them to you. Okay, that's it. We're done.